What is up, you guys? Welcome back. I know it's been a month now since I've posted something, but I wanted to start off now fresh. This new year, fresh 2021. Hopefully things around the world change. Let's see how it goes. I hope you guys had a wonderful Christmas and New Year's Day. I hope you guys were able to enjoy it with at least with some of your family members. And it feels good to be back right now making this content for you. I'm super excited because I have something ready to put on the car. You guys know each and every time, well, at least most of the time that I go and upload a video, you guys definitely know that I have something going to be done to the car. So today it's actually gonna be something pretty visual on the car, and I'm sure if you guys follow me at Alex Rowe Media on Instagram, you guys definitely saw what I'm talking about. Yeah, I'm super hyped. I cannot wait to install this bad boy. I've been dying to install it for a while. Even though I got it on Christmas, I gotta thank my girlfriend for this gift. She went all out this year and she did everything she could to get me this mod. I am super hyped for this mod. I'm going to install it today. Shout out to my boy Mikey Turbo, because he actually has this mod and he already installed it. So I might go based off a little bit on his video. I haven't seen a lot of install videos on this mod. On this specific mod, I have not, especially on this car, I have not seen. I've seen people have it on their car, drive it, but I have not seen people do an install video on this modification except for Mikey Turbo. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the same thing, maybe different angles, I don't know, but I'm gonna go ahead and try to do it myself. This is my first time installing this thing, so I really don't know what I'm doing. I'm gonna go ahead and find out what I'm gonna get myself into. I know I'm gonna love it once it's installed. And yeah, so shout out to my girlfriend for getting me this mod. Again, I'm super hyped for it and I'm ready to show you guys. But first, right before I show you, let's get a nice cold start on the Abarth, because I haven't turned it on since yesterday. So let me go ahead, start it up, and we'll get on with the video. All right, guys. I love the sound of this exhaust so much. You can't help it. You can't help it. You just have to like sit in your car, turn on the car, and just listen to it. You just can't help it. If you're like a real car enthusiast, you just love the sound of your car. So yeah, guys, let me go ahead. I actually need gas. Let me go ahead. I'll probably get gas. I don't know. I'll see. If not, I'm just anxious to install this bad boy, and I want to show you guys already. So I'll catch you in a bit. So this is it right here. Now I'm sure you guys can't tell what it is, so let me go ahead, unwrap this, and let's get this modification going. So here it is. This thing is just amazing, like literally. And this is the shift knob, or well, the knob that goes on top. Let me just shut off the car really quick. So yeah, guys, this right here is going to be the new setup on the Abarth. This thing is amazing. This thing is just so sick. I'm in love with this thing. Yeah, I'm putting this on the car right now. It shouldn't be too difficult, honestly, because I did install myself this short shifter from Craven Speed. I'm sure you guys know about it. So I don't know what I plan on doing with this. I don't know if I'm going to sell it or not. Not 100% sure. I mean, if anybody's interested in it, you guys can always DM me on Instagram. Let me know what you guys think, or if you guys are interested at all, because once I go to that, there's really no turning back. Like, that's it. So yeah, let me get started on this installation. Alright guys, so I finally took off all the screws, and this should come out just like that. So yeah, put these screws over here. I'm gonna go ahead, take this bolt off, and this whole assembly should come out right here. I don't know if you guys can see that little indent right here. I'm gonna go ahead, pull this out. I'm gonna disconnect the two window harnesses that are behind here, and then I have to try to take this side piece out. So this is new to me. I never took this off, but I'm gonna find out today how to take it off. So yeah, let me go ahead, take care of this, and hopefully I don't struggle. Let's see how this goes. So there you guys have it. As you guys saw, I used one of these trim tools from Doorman. I mean, I got this at AutoZone. I just don't want to use screwdrivers and things because I do not like scratching up my car. But yeah, you guys saw how easy that was. Wasn't too difficult. Now we're gonna get to the fun part. Also one right here. So yeah guys, that one was located right by the air vent, right there. Now I'm assuming the same thing is on the other side, so one on the driver's side, one on the passenger side. And as you guys can see, right there. Okay, so there's another bolt right there as well. So we took out that one with the vent inside, like with the vent on. We took that screw off, and then when you take off the vent, there's another one right here. And again, I'm assuming the other side is the same way, so I'm gonna go ahead and take it off. And as I expected, there is another screw. So we took off that screw back there. Then you pull this out, this one gotta come off. So as I expected, as soon as I took that bolt off, I literally just pulled this out a little bit and boom, it all came out. So I see I have another harness there that I need to take off. So I'm gonna go ahead and unplug that. I'm not even sure what that is. I assume that it's just a light that goes inside. It's like orange, and I guess it was the light that would, you know, come down through here from that housing. So I just took it off. I'll probably find a place to put it. Now it's time to disassemble this whole thing pretty much. All of this is coming out except, you know, I'm gonna take this off, this off. Brings back good memories from when I put in the Craven Speed short shifter. It was fun to put that on. So right now I see that there are 3 bolts that need to come off. They are 13 millimeter. I just test fitted it, and yeah, they're 13. It's a 13 millimeter socket, so I'm gonna go ahead and take those off. Now this is the one we're gonna have to modify because this doesn't reach the new CAE shifter. I assume it's gonna be like a white hard plastic that surrounds that cable, and that's gonna have to be shaved off to put an extension that comes in the packets with the CAE shifter, and then it'll be able to reach. So for that, I do have a Dremel. Put the new attachment to extend it longer, and we'll be able to fit right away the new shifter. So yeah, this looks like fun. I went ahead, disconnected the links. These two links are out. So I had the 3 nuts to take out and also a bolt. Let me go ahead and show you guys. So I had one nut here, another one right here, and the bottom one. And then there's this one. I just loosened it. But yeah, there's this one. And I disconnected the links. This one is for up and down, I guess, to shift into gear, first, second, third, fourth. This one, I assume, just moves it to be able to go from first to fifth, you know, this way. And the bottom one is up and down. And you also have like this clip over here, which is this one. So I'm sure that has to come out. And then this should easily pull out afterwards. So let me go ahead and try to take that clip off, and I'll let you guys know how that goes. All right, guys, so I finally was able to get those clips off. It was kind of difficult for me to get those clips out. They literally slide in and out, but I guess because they're under pressure, or I don't know, it took me at least a good 10 minutes struggling with that, taking them off. But I found that the easiest way was to get a pair of like these pliers, pressure pliers, there you go. With some pressure pliers, grab it, try to yank on it, pull on it, and once you see a little groove open, you stick your flathead screwdriver in that little groove and you pull it out. Let me show you an example. So here are both of the clips. One would be like this, right? And the other one would be like this. So what I mean is, you know, with the pressure pliers, let me zoom you guys in a little bit. With the pressure pliers, you pull it out as much as you can, and once you see, like, you see this opening? Once you see a small opening, you stick your flathead in, and you kind of just pull it out, if you get what I'm saying. Pull it out, and you should be good to go from there. This one was a bit difficult. This one was a little worse. Alright guys, there you have it. I was able to take this off just like that. This was a bit of pain to take off, to be honest with you. Just this area, just because for a second I thought I was gonna either have to cut around here or around here, because this wasn't letting me through. Like I was trying to pull down, because as you could see, it's kind of like at an angle. It's not straight, it's like tilted downward. So this was bothering me, and as you could see, I kind of like put a little smudge on it. I kind of like, I don't know if you guys could see that. So I kept trying it, and now it just came out. All right guys, so let's go ahead and install this bad boy.